Hey there folks, Slayton here, another exciting removal. This time we're in the town of Mission, Texas. We're at a home where the homeowner's been trying to get rid of this beehive on and off for a couple of months. They've tried wasp spray, they've tried numerous things. Their dog got severely stung this last time he messed with it last week. And we're here to relocate them and do the job right. Them do-it-yourselves do not work. Whatever you see on Google or videos, don't try it at home, please. Call a professional and check for references when you do call a professional or claim to be professionals that do what we do. There's a lot of jokers out there trying to do what we do, make a quick buck, order a bee suit in Amazon, and they end up making more of a mess than what they should be helping. God bless us. Help us find that queen, not get stung up so much. Hopefully we can give her a kiss, put up a show for y'all. Let me show you all that hive and what I'll be working with. Homeowner's already torn up some of that comb in there, and it looks like he pushed them further in. So let me take a look. As you can see, that vent's been taken out. If I zoom in, there's comb already that's got torn out. There is quite a bit of activity in there. I don't know if I'll find that queen, or if there even is a queen. There's definitely bees up there. Let's see what we find up there. Stay tuned. Con los ojos. Ok, necesito que levante la manita.
¿Quiere que le tenga el chavo?
Sí, deténgame el cheer up, no, porque no da el chingazo ahorita. It didn't quite work out. We're about to open up that wall or that piece of little bean sheetrock. Let that guy on. Right here means there is a queen, or if there was a queen at one point. Dime chingo. Catch it up. ¿Esta tiene buen ángulo o no?
Agarrando al centro todo.
See how this one looks like popcorn? That's drone brood, boy bees. Since due to the genetics, I really don't want these at home. Not now. Vente esa. Thank you.
Una letrita que lleva.
Huh?
Ahí para cuando te-
Ahí está la reina. Ah, no, zángano. ¿Dónde? Ahí va, ahí va. Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va. Queenie, Queenie, Queenie. Queen kiss. Mwah. ¿Dónde? Ahí va, ahí va. Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va. Queenie, Queenie, Queenie. Queen kiss. Mwah. Queen kiss. Found that queen, folks. Moment of silence. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to do what I do. Without you, I am nothing. Thank you, Saint Martha, Siddiqui, or Guardian Angel. Thank you for allowing me to do what I do, day in, day out. Once again, be smart, be safe, be strong. Till next time, subscribe up on top, give us a like down below, leave us a comment. Facebook Live. We've been doing these Facebook Lives. These videos will probably be posted in the winter months because we're so busy right now. Getting them queens, queen kiss. Mwah. Once again, till next time, keep saving them boos. What up, folks? Let me see them comments.